All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. You are welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So this morning, I want to remind us just few things. When American government said that they're coming to Nigeria to attack or to engage terrorists, banditry, and what have you in Nigeria, some people started shouting, "No, Nigeria is a sovereign nation. Nigeria is a sovereign nation that you don't need any external intervention. You don't need anybody to invade your country. Or they are coming to in search of natural resources that are not going to help you for free. How can they come to your country and do this and do that? That is unheard of. No, you cannot do that. You cannot do this. You cannot do that." Yesterday, I published a video here. In fact, it's not only me. It was announced that the Benin Republic government or military have taken over, but some people say no. It was just an attempt to overthrow the government. Some said that they are not in charge and all that. Then, few hours later, we started hearing that the Nigerian government and Nigerian president somehow are rejoicing or celebrating that Nigerian Air Force have successfully carried out airstrike in Benin Republic. That reminds me of what they said when American government told Nigerian government that they should sit up, otherwise they will come. One of the things that many of them, those people who believe that it is now their turn to be a president, one of the things they said is that how can American government penetrate into Nigerian government, into Nigerian soil, that Nigeria is a sovereign nation. You cannot strike anything in Nigeria. You are not allowed to do that kind of thing. No, don't do this, don't do that. But wait, Benin Republic is part of Nigeria now because they have carried out airstrike. And why are they striking in Benin Republic to assist Benin Republic government? I'm not against striking anything at all, like helping other nation. That's not my problem. But I have issue with this idea, this notion of Nigeria is a sovereign nation. Do not come and attack or engage terrorists. Nigeria, the US should not come. Donald Trump should maintain his space. Don't come to Nigeria. Don't do this because Nigeria is a sovereign nation. Even though when you know that him coming is for your own good, but they choose not to appreciate that anyway. Why? Because in their mind they think that coming is actually going to affect the current regime. So people from his tribe are the one shouting, "No, no, America should not come," even though they are the one also they are facing the terrorist attack and everything, but they just want to, even if they want to trade it with their villages and their communities, it doesn't matter, as long as Tinubu maintain his regime and of course continue to the next 8 years, total of 4 years, total of 8 years. What are they gonna say now? Because now Nigerian government have decided to strike in the Republic, carry out airstrike, and they're not using the same airstrike to focus on banditry, terrorists, and what have you. You spend your money to buy aircraft or fighter jets, but that fighter jet is to help other countries to make their country good. But you yourself that have the fighter jet, you are looking for an assistant that cannot come from anywhere unless America comes. So this is to tell you that this politics is very, very shameful. Very, very shameful. And since you claim that Nigeria is a sovereign nation, what can you now tell us about the Republic? Are they not a sovereign nation also? Anyway, let's go through the post. All right, here is the aircraft itself that carried out the airstrike. Here you can see here, this person made a post on X says, so Nigerian government has fighter jets that can be deployed to battle and bandit jihadist terrorists are busy. dealing with Nigerians unchecked. News has it that the federal government of Nigeria has deployed fighter jets to Benin Republic because of the military coup ongoing there. My mind is telling me something. It's like I was like insurgents in Nigeria is government is government made. I swear, insurgents is government made. So you are just waking up. He said that my mind is telling me something. Is like insurgents in Nigeria is government made. They play. They are not only government made. They are part and parcel of the government. In case if you don't know, that's my own take. And the people Gazette said, forward coup. Nigerian soldiers on ground in Benin Republic, says Defense Chief Oluyede. That's a person. So they are on ground in Benin Republic. Now, French. This is a African World Media TV. Dr. Matanga and the team said French thwarts the coup via Nigeria. The French government used Nigerian government to thwart the coup. Do you understand it? Because their puppet is the one in charge. Now listen, Nigerian President Bola Tinubu says he has safeguarded Benin's democracy by sending Nigerian military forces on Sunday to respond swiftly to the coup attempt against President Patrick Talon. The President Tinubu states that he first ordered Nigerian Air Force his first order Nigerian Air Force fighter jet to enter the country and take over the airspace to help dislodge the coup plotters from the national TV and a military camp where they had regrouped. Why then does the person is not asking why then doesn't the order the why then doesn't I don't know what but why then doesn't he order the army to dislodge Boko Haram? Okay, why then doesn't he have order the army to dislodge the Boko Haram? This is a very clear question that people are asking. So you have never defeated even one group out of 7 to 8, 9 different terrorist groups. Nigerian government couldn't defeat one. They are all still growing with everything in them. Honestly, the current president of Nigeria now, Tinubu, is something else. So you allow yourself to be used by French because what this platform says now naturally opened my eyes. That French towards the coup via Nigeria, meaning that French government are the one that use Nigerian government to carry that airstrike. You see, black people are just like a crab. Crab always drag one another down when one wants to escape. They will use their hand to drag their own people down without allowing them to succeed. Pull him down spirit. You are down and your job is to make sure that every other person around you are also down. Who does that? Of what benefit is that to you? Are you proud of what is going on in Africa? Personally, I am not, because I understand that it is not how a continent should be. It is very shameful that no black country in this world, whole wide world, both in Caribbean, look at Cuba, look at the Dominican Republic, look at Haiti, all of them, even Jamaica, they are all backward, simply because now we do ourselves. So if you know that you want to help the Republic current president, the current regime, and all that, what is it doing? Like, what are they doing to safeguard the country or to protect the country? Anyway, the European people see the Republic as a second country, if not the first, because their blood, Benin Republic are somehow related to them. Some tribe, because I don't know if they are one tribe in Benin Republic, but I can tell you that Benin have more brothers in Benin. Yoruba have more brothers in Benin Republic than they have in Nigeria. Yeah, because they see themselves. If there's anything now going on in Yoruba land, Benin Republic will be there for them. Unlike Igbo, only Yoruba and the Fulani have cruise brotherhood reign, like neighboring country. For example, Niger is for Fulani. Other tribe, you're on your own. Benin Republic is for Yoruba. Anyway, there's something that just like said that I would like to bring to you before we end this. I just want you to understand that the question should be thrown to the Nigerian government. Why are you bragging on how you strike Benin Republic at the same time how you manage to help the Benin Republic, but you have never for once you have not succeeded in dealing with your own problem, and at the same time you want people to take you serious. They play. After scrambling a Nigerian fighter jet at a moment's notice to conduct airstrike on a sovereign nation, Benin Republic will conduct airstrike on sovereign nation Benin Republic. Will APC and their supporters still be opposed to potential unannounced American airstrike in part of Nigeria? Are we still gonna hear stuff like we are a sovereign nation when and we are a sovereign nation when and if that happens? Hopefully they will say it, because to them now the Republic is this to them is they will say Africa, Africa, or maybe their brother. But you cannot just lie to the to how many millions of people simply because you have access to talk. You can move your mouth and lie to people. Look at it now. All the people kidnapped, in Nigerian kidnappers are sending innocent people to judgment because of inability to meet up with the ransom, because of what I don't know. They keep on buying people. You don't carry airstrike or any intelligence forces to stop it. When America said, "Okay, we are coming to do that," you guys are crying and say, "Oh, we are a sovereign nation." What a shame! Honestly, what a shame. Anyway, please let me know what you think about it. What is your take about what we just discussed now? And I can't wait to read from you. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.